Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to activate a correct plugin. Start by navigating to the activation view in your correct application. You will need the challenge and location of the .sac file you received in an email with your purchase. In the activation window, enter the challenge in the challenge field. Next, drop the .sac file in the activation code field, or use the Find button to browse and select the .sac file. Once both fields are filled, click the Activate button to complete the process. Correct is now activated. You can now access updates and add-ons to further enhance your software experience.